This share house is really unique because everybody at night is in the lounge room together and cooking together, and we will often cook things together. So recently we'd had a little takoyaki party, and before that we had a taco party where we made tacos together. So it's really good fun to cook with everybody in the house.
うちは1都3県、東京、千葉、埼玉、神奈川で主にシェアハウスとあとちょっとアパートメントを運営している会社になります。主に日本人の方、あと外国人の方どちらもなんですけれども、基本的にシェアハウスとかアパートメントを探している方たちに部屋を案内して入居していただくというサービスをしています。
It's so close to Tokyo, but you don't have the crazy busyness and loudness of Tokyo. The house is just a little bit away from the station, and it's in this really nice quiet area, really residential area.
溝の口駅自体はまず渋谷まで電車で15分ぐらい、もうすぐアクセスがとてもいいですね。1本で行けますし、あとその他にも溝の口駅に関して言えば沿線として南武線っていう線とか田園都市線、あとその田園線が大井町線につながっていたり、とにかくアクセスが良いので。
I originally wanted to live in an apartment by myself, but it's way more expensive, so I had to choose to live in a share house, but I don't regret it at all. I'm so happy I chose it because you get so many friends and you get like broader network, and like if you feel bored, you can just go down to the living room and there will be people to hang out with. So.
Before I came to Japan, I was looking at share houses online, and this company came up, and it looked like the most easiest and foreigner-friendly share house that I could find. There was good locations, lots of selection, and like it was a good price as well.
I have made friends from like across the world, Indians from Myanmar, Chinese, like Australian, everything. So it's pretty cool.
I have friends who are coming to Japan soon as well to do the same thing I've done, and I recommended all of them to stay in a share house.